Welcome to Ollie's Adventures, episode 1 of Crawling in the Caribbean. Today we are in Mayreau, which was very badly hit by Hurricane Beryl, which was a category 4 when it hit here, and then it turned into a 5. So grab a snack and sit down and hope you enjoy this video. Gravel Hill Dune.
Really loose.
Let's see if it can make it down. Come on, get up.
No, not that. I'm getting egg like I'm going inside and leaving it inside.
Some rail riding.
Where'd it go?
Went there. So we're gonna attempt the giant mound of sand I made. I don't think it will work, but it won't hurt. Sand. No, we're not doing that.
Oh, you got high centered.
Stay there. Stay there. Not very fast. Oh my god. This dog.
Yeah, like those little like.
So this is like a piece of a palm tree that maybe fell down and they cut. Yeah. Quite big, this palm tree.
Nice. We reached the top of the hill, Mayreau. Church appears to be over here.
If you liked this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. There will be more episodes in the future coming out for Crawling in the Caribbean. Bye!